This is my new favorite sweatshirt dress. I love it. It's so comfy. It's like a Snuggie and a sweatshirt together.
Attention passengers. Do not leave baggage unattended.
I'm at the airport right now. I'm kind of annoyed because as soon as I was looking for the airport, the lawn care people showed up late. But I'm here now, so they don't matter. And I'm on my way to Washington State. So we're gonna get on the plane. I'm gonna get some food first. I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna go do that right now. I lied. I didn't get food. I got coffee. I'd rather have coffee over food most days anyway. So I'll probably get food. I'll say coffee again. I'll probably get food when I go through the gate. I'm waiting for Yumisi and Marvin because they're the ones we're going to Washington State with. We're going to go stay with Yumisi's sister. I'm like getting close because I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're staying with Yumisi's sister and I'm ready to go. I worked all day. I was annoyed with the lawn care company because they're supposed to come at 9 in the morning and they showed up at 3 p.m. without calling, texting. I called them and they didn't answer. So it's really annoying that they showed up super late as soon as I was leaving for the airport. But I hope my lawn looks better. I was not gonna be mowing my lawn or edging it. I'd rather have someone do it for me. So that's why I called them. I had enough of yard work, putting those bushes in. I'm not up to it. So I'm gonna have someone else do my yard work from now on. But I'm ready for this trip. I'm tired of thinking about my house right now. I'm ready for some mountains, some hiking, and a little bit of spa action. So that'll be fun. Guess who almost missed the flight?
Huh?
Guess who almost missed the flight?
Oh.
I had 10 minutes.
No, he didn't. He almost missed the gate. It was closing, and he was running up, literally running as we were boarding the plane. Like, we were there early.
We were.
But this one was late.
Hey, close enough.
Now we're in Chicago and our flight's delayed, so we're getting food.
You still decided that you were gonna. Is that all your clothes for this weekend?
He has a bag.
It's about.
Okay. I knew it since we know it's like, did he check his bag? I'm like, no, that's everything.
That's everything.
You're weird.
Why?
He's a man. It's okay. You don't have to care.
It's enough.
It's enough. It's enough.
Cheers, Marvin.
I did miss my.
Cheers,
So-
Missy.
Cheers.
Good morning. We're in Washington State and we're about to go to Montana for a little mineral springs pool thing. But first we're gonna get some coffee because I need coffee. Look at this place. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So we're in the hot one, and this is the cold one right there. I'm gonna go dunk in it because it's gonna be fucking cold as shit.
Go all the way in.
This is all the way in. What
That's
are you talking
in.
about? It's like an ice bath. It's so cold. This is the what is this one called? 55 degrees. No.
Sub-zero. Sub-zero cold.
It feels like I'm in a bath full of ice. I'm gonna see how long I can last. This is my second time going in it. Oh my god.
I don't know how you're doing it. It's so cold.
It's prickly.
Yeah, you're being
Look at my
stabbed.
fingers. I've been in water for a while. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm done. Go in. Look at these mountains.
Oh my god.
How does it feel?
It feels like I'm in a freezer, deep freeze.
Yeah. See, you can stay for a little bit once you like get over the initial shock.
Okay.
How does it feel getting back in hot water?
So good.
You should put your face inside.
No.
Face
You
to
go
fall
put
off.
your face in.
Now we're all rinsed off and dry. We're about to go have lunch in the restaurant right here behind me. Right there. We're gonna go have lunch and then we're gonna go back to Washington State and get ready for dinner. I guess it's gonna be food for the rest of the evening. How do you feel after the pools?
It was wonderful. It was so good.
Out of 5 stars.
4 out of 5. We'll definitely come back.
Yeah, it's fun. I'm glad that they're all concentrated in one area.
Yeah, so you, like, and it felt really good. And you just try to different temperatures, and it's like,
Yeah, you just like slip into one pool and out of the other.
it's so good.
So we're about to get some food and head back to Washington State. What's up, Marvin?
You're doing Savannah. Enjoying yourself.
We're gonna head to dinner for our last night here. Actually, a full night here. Marvin's gonna be here another day because he got the wrong flight for Monday. But how is the hot spring?
It was warm. And
Out
cold.
of, out of 10 stars, how would you rate it?
Well, 7.
Can you explain that?
Well, it was cool. I like it, but it was warm. But I was expecting to have like a, more natural vibe to it instead of like
It
a
was
pool.
natural.
Yeah, but it was a pool.
It was a natural hot spring pool.
You didn't like it?
I liked it.
Is he talking shit?
Yeah.
I'm not talking shit. It's a high score.
What score did he
He
give
said
it?
he
7.
said he would do 7 out of 10.
I gave it a 4 out of 5, didn't I?
I think so.
That's close. A 4 out of 5 is an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, but you gave it a 7.
Just a little bit.
Is it
less.
because of the food?
Okay, what was it?
What
made
brought
you
it
give
down?
What brought it down for you?
Was it that you had to get out of the pool to get your stuff and get drinks?
Yeah, they didn't have like a locker.
They had lockers?
You have to pay for that.
What do you want from them?
You want everything free?
No, we pay for this stuff. I would think they would give you a locker.
Yeah, they had $4 for towels that you take home, but they're not very big or like soft. There's like normal.
I wished
towels.
it was like monogrammed. Like if I'm gonna like buy something from a resort.
Yeah, have your resort name on it.
Yeah, so we can. Oh, where'd you get that from? Quinn's, Hot Spring, Montana.
Exactly.
I agree. So we can
That's
say
why I gave it a 4.
Oh, thanks for that explanation. I would agree with that. That would be a good one to have it monogrammed and stuff. It's a souvenir, not just some random towel.
So the towel and like the shower area is why I gave it a 4.
Oh, the shower area, yeah. They need a lot more surface space for people to sit on, lie their stuff on, and shower. They had like 2 shower heads for the whole thing,
Yeah.
I think.
I feel that like the Blue Lagoon in Iceland would be like a 9.5.
Well, the Blue Lagoon is like way.
You can't compare them.
It's
Yeah.
a hot spring.
Blue Lagoon's a whole different level.
It's a hot spring.
People go to Iceland to see the Blue Lagoon. They don't go to Idaho to see Quinn's.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
It's the best Alabama. So anything else I can grab besides that Shirley Temple now? Sounds good. Enjoy everyone.
Oh my god.
Birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Missy.
It's Sunday.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Woo!
think I'm going to get the Oktoberfest. I feel seasonal.
It is. What time is it? What time is it?
10 o'clock, 10:02 p.m.
It's 10:02 p.m. and it's happy hour
I'm excited.
on a Saturday. Oh my gosh. What are you going to get?
A hot apple pie, which
Me
is
too.
basically whiskey, apple pie, chai, no, cider, apple cider,
And whipped cream.
and whipped cream.
Whiskey?
Oh, well, depends on what kind of whiskey.
What kind of whiskey are you feeling?
One of my favorite birthday shots is Jameson whiskey with peach schnapps and simple syrup. Can we do that?
You know that? Yeah,
It's
let's
called
do
a
that.
green tea shot.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my, I
And
can't.
I'll
One
give
for her.
you yours for free since it's your birthday.
Awesome.
Oh, thank you. It's like so sweet of you.
What are you making?
Green tea shot.
Oh my gosh, dear Lord.
I charge for flash photography.
Oh, sweetie, yes. Thank you so much.
This is really good. This is really good.
I don't even need this. What the hell is this for?
Yeah. Your shot.
Oh, it's melting. It's melting.
It's a good drink.
I know, but I need to like my morning maybe stop. Yeah. And I want to eat.
This one, not so much. This one,
love it.
yes. We're leaving Steam Plant, and Marvin has a box full of free bar glasses. Like, where's one? They were giving them away, so we took a bunch of them. Where'd it go? This one? So he's carrying a box, and we're gonna like pack them. Like we're gonna get 2 each, and like leave one at her sister, Yumisi's sister's house or something. And we're leaving one at Inka's house because we want pairs. And it's just so funny because they're just giving them away, like literally giving them away by boxes. So, got a souvenir from Spokane, Washington. And Marvin's gonna carry them around all night. We're in Idaho, right?
Yeah.
We're in Idaho, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and we are about to go on a boat tour, cruise thing. It's gonna be so pretty. You see, we have a Christmas tree up already. Where is it? You can't see it now. They're putting up a bunch of Christmas lights. I thought there'd be more.
Yeah. So Coeur d'Alene, the 2-deck Lake Coeur d'Alene cruise boats are climbing off on history. The fact is in the back. Okay, lake fact. Lake Coeur d'Alene is located 2,128 feet above sea level. The lake is 25 miles long with over 135 miles of shoreline and an average depth of 120 feet.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Emergency procedures and donning instructions are located near the restrooms. Restrooms are downstairs all the way to the back of the vessel on either side. Please take a few minutes to acquaint yourself with any of these emergency procedures, or feel free to ask any of the uniformed crew members for locations of life.
So pretty.
Over here?
It's so pretty.
We're not salty oysters. Sorry.
You're fine, because that's $16. That's a bit ridiculous.
Well, it is pan fried.
Marvin, what did you think of the boat tour?
It was awesome. It was beautiful, beautiful view.
What did you think? 5 out of 5?
Definitely 5 out of 5. And for that, like how much we paid for it, it was gorgeous.
I'm glad that they didn't jack up the prices for drinks on the boat.
Yeah. Oh my God. You're right.
Because usually if you're like, on a boat like that, they're like, oh, $10 because it's the only thing you have available. So it was fun. I would do it again. So I'm in Chicago now for an hour and a half layover. It's 4:30 something in the morning, and I had so much fun in Washington, but I had to go get some food. I actually got food this time with my drink, so I'm gonna have breakfast and wait for the plane to board, and I'm on my way to Columbus. So I'll end the trip here. Thanks for watching. Bye.